Aloha, Kristy here with Your Oahu Home Team. If you're looking at Hoopili, you need to see this one. This is Ahakea, one of DR Horton's newest neighborhoods in Ewa Beach. Brand new detached homes, real yard, real neighborhood feel. This is the Gen2B, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-story, 919 square feet, starting mid-700s. And honestly, it looks and feels way bigger than that. Let me walk you through it. So you walk in, and right away, you get this open layout. Living room flows straight into dining and kitchen. No wasted space. Here's the floor plan so you can see how everything connects. Primary bedroom is actually on the main level too. Dining area sits right off the kitchen, perfect for family dinners. Stainless steel appliances, quartz counters, soft close cabinets, all included. Bar height seating too, so you've got that extra counter space for the kids or just hanging out. All right, heading upstairs. Washer dryer hookup right here on the second floor. Such a game changer. No hauling laundry up and down. 2 secondary bedrooms up here, both good sized, but the primary is downstairs with its own ensuite and walk-in shower. That privacy is huge. Plus there's a bonus room up here. Office, playroom, whatever you need it to be. And the whole house comes with split AC, designer flooring, and the smart home package. Upstairs bathroom has dual vanities and a shower tub combo. Really functional for a family. Plus you get a fully fenced backyard and 2 parking stalls. So let's talk about what's actually included, because this is where it gets really good. Fridge, range, micro hood, dishwasher, washer dryer. All of that comes standard. Now the HOA under $150 a month total. That covers both the Ahakea and Hoopili associations. For everything you're getting, that's really reasonable. The community has a pool, dog park, pickleball courts, playgrounds, and the rail station is right there. If you're military, this is VA loan friendly. DHI Mortgage is offering 4.99% and a $1,000 veteran rebate right now. If you want more info or you want to tour this in person, tap the link below or DM us at Your Oahu Home Team. We got you. Mahalo.